Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SiriusXM, SXEZR1V1AZ1 satellite radio with vehicle kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: the SXEZR1V1AZ1 Onyx EZR with vehicle kit allows you to enjoy SiriusXM satellite radio in your car and beyond with this dock and play radio. Listen to 150 plus channels in your car and over 300 plus channels online or on the app. Store up to 10 of your favorite SiriusXM channels or create your own music channel from selected channels with Tune Mix. Use split screen mode on the easy-to-read high-res screen to see what other channels are playing. The SiriusXM Onyx EZR with vehicle kit includes a Power Connect vehicle kit for easy installation. Listen to all of your favorite SiriusXM channels through your existing vehicle stereo with quick, DIY installation. Only SiriusXM brings you more of what you love, all in one place. Enjoy ad-free music from nearly every genre, plus exclusive entertainment and comedy, world-class news, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.